My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so back with an early review, back with a familiar sneaker. This is probably like number 8 of this line that has dropped within like the last, I want to say 2 months or something like that. I have covered every single one on that drop, so I'm covering this one also. We're gonna jump straight to this. I usually do a lot of talking. We're not even gonna do that. Let's jump straight to this. So I'm gonna give you a review, a little early review of this sneaker. I think this drops next week, something like that. Then after that, I'm gonna come back home and I'm gonna give y'all a little breakdown with some information and everything like that. Y'all know the drill. Y'all see my videos, and if you haven't, where have you been? Anyway, be back after the review. Enjoy. Okay. We got another Kobe, as you can see right here. Got the black logo right there in the center. Signature right there. I feel like they have been releasing nothing but Kobe. Shout out to Vanessa Bryant and Nike, man. They make sure everybody is able to get a pair. Let's get into it. I say this all the time when I do when I review a Kobe. I wish they would put like a better box. But anyway, we got the Kobe, what's that? Kobe 9, right? Yeah, Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro, white, size 8.5. That is my normal size, but I wear 9s and Kobe's, and I can tell you right now, I would not be getting this for 2 reasons. 1, I don't want an all-white Kobe. 2, these come out the 19th. My birthday is the 22nd. I won't even be in California when they drop. I mean, I'm pretty sure I could probably get them where I'm going at, which is Houston, but I just don't need these. It's a white shoe. Anyway, let's get to it. Ooh, they are clean, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, they are clean. I didn't put that like this, like that. Close that up real quick. Boom. Okay, so without further ado, and we got the Kobe 9 Halos. Boom. Okay, like I said, you got the Kobe 9 Halos. I mean, it's a nice shoe. I mean, it's straight basketball shoe like all Kobe's are, but all white bottom, outer sole. See the logo right there on the heel. Got that carbon fiber right there, plates right there, black. Another Kobe logo on the back. It's white / creamish mesh. I do like the Nike swoosh. Very translucent right there with different colors. Everything like that. You see that shine right there. Definitely like that. It's kind of clean. Look at that shine right there. I like that. It's clean. White laces. Got that same translucent on the tongue with the signature above it. White sock liner. There we go. On the other side. There we go right there. Other shoe is exactly the same thing. Do I think it is a must? No, I do not. Is it a cop or drop? Depends on if you're a Kobe fan or not. I mean, it's a dope shoe. I mean, it's cool, but a little bit too white for me. Like I said, this is 100% a hooping shoe. 100% a hooping shoe. I would not recommend getting this for anything else but hooping. I know a lot of people, they be kind of killing me in the comments when I say, yo, you can rock a basketball shoe for like everyday wear. I mean, do what you do. You spend money, buy what you want, wear it the way you want it. But this right here, nah, this is a hooping shoe. Am I gonna get it? Yeah, like I said, 1, I don't need a white Kobe, and 2, I'm not even gonna be in California when these drop on the 19th. So just want to give you a little early review. These drop, like, if I'm not mistaken, next Wednesday or something like that. I don't know the exact date. I mean, I know the date, but I don't know what day it is next week. But yeah, just want to give y'all this early look of it. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It's a copy drop for y'all. All right, let me get back to the house so I can give y'all some proper information about it. So let's go. Okay, I'm back. Hope y'all enjoyed that small kind of detailed look at the first look at the Kobe 9. Kobe 9 Halo, the Kobe 9 Low Halo. Got some information for y'all. This is off of, what we off of? We off at nicekicks.com. Try nicekicks.com. It'll be right next to me right about now. Should be up so you can read along with me right there. All right, so it reads along with all white Halo, Nike Kobe 9 Elite Nike basketball will also be dropping the silhouette's matching low cut counterpart, the Kobe 9 Elite Low. The beloved silhouette, which marks Kobe's ninth signature with a swoosh, was originally revealed in Los Angeles on December the 4th, 2013. The upcoming Nike Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro Halo iteration will boost a clear all-white colorway. The pair's engineered mesh upper is elevated with, I can't even pronounce that, mono, I can't even know, I'm not even gonna lie, swoosh, instead on a cohesive appearance. Following in the all-white theme and the cushioned midsole and Kobe signature on the lateral heel, the Nike Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro Halo will release on September 19th, 2024 at selected Nike basketball retailers. And it's going to be $210. And there goes some more images right there. $210 is crazy for a basketball shoe. I think because they got that carbon fiber right there. That right there. $210 is crazy. But that's the box. So, all right. Turn it off. Anyway, yeah. So, little information for y'all. So, will I be copping this? No, I will not. This is a drop for me. I actually am in the process of returning two Kobe's is over there. If you can see that right there, those two Kobe's. It is the college navy and the wolf gray ones that just copped the Kobe 8s. I did do a review for that. Go check that out. Yeah, I'm returning those because the Royals or the blue foam posits drop out tomorrow, and out the gate they're $240. Out the gate they're $240. So with tax, it's probably like $250, something like that. So those two shoes, that was my least favorite in the bunch of that 5-pack that dropped. I don't need those two. I'm keeping the Lakers home and away, and I'm keeping the red ones. I like those three, but those two can go back. So one pair is only like $197. So two pair, I'll have enough to get the foam posits. Plus, I'll probably buy some more socks. Some still have some change left over, but we're gonna see. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about that's a long name too. I thought it was just like, what is it again? It's the Nike Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro Halo. That's a long line. Let me know what y'all think about the Halos. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks. Oh, but the door's in the way. There we go. Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.